Artistic family, Shannon Gibson Art and Designs. Today we are doing something completely different. Never thought that I would be using eggshells from boiled eggs to create textured art. But today we're going to crack these babies into a stunning textured abstract painting. So let's get going. Wow, I am loving this. And then of course you see the gloss, and that there dries transparent, but the feel, it's very rock-like, beautiful for creating a mosaic, which is something I'm going to do in the future as well. I'm so loving, guys, exploring all the possibilities with texture. It's really fun trying new things, and especially unconventional materials like this. And I'm really excited to bring this small canvas to life. So before we get started, I just wanted to show you guys my recent abstract painting. It was a small commission request on 11 by 14, and I kind of had free reign as the client loves my color palette. So I just took a look at a picture in her room and decided to use this. She's happy with it, and this is the official frame that this panel's going in. So let's take a look at this baby. I could not be more amazed at these eggshells. Not only has my vision come to life on the canvas by being inspired by river rock, which I feel this looks just like, of course, abstract, but it definitely depicts the ocean and flow, and I am super happy with how this looks. Of course, the shimmer and reflections of my custom blue, it's some metallic, and all of those color variations that you get with river rock. And again, it very mosaic look to it, which I'll get into later, but I love how this turned out. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I appreciate it. It's free, and I will see you all in the next painting.